What's up, you guys? How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to start off today's video by showing you what my living room currently looks like before I finally get around to putting stuff up for Halloween and fall. As you can see, this is also my filming space. I will record usually on that couch there or that love seat at the end. And I like to keep things just super simple. I don't like a lot of clutter, so I won't be going overboard with my decorations. And I love neutral colors. So as far as my decorations go, it'll just be really small pops of color here and there just to get that festive feel. So I do have some pillowcases that I'll be adding to the sofa. Have a couple of signs here. I'm not sure if I'll put these up. I don't really know where I will put them quite yet. I will be replacing my gray placemats with these black ones. Got some pumpkins, a candle. I love this mug. I just picked it up a couple days ago at TJ Maxx. It says, "If you've got it, haunt it." It is so cute. On the table, instead of my tree, I'll probably put this little decoration here. And then on the sides of my window, I plan on hanging these. So I'll show you what everything looks like here in just a second. Okay, all the decorations are put up, you guys. And I know that I said that I wasn't gonna go overboard with my decorations, but then I found these two orange sets of lights and I just had to use them. It makes the space so much more cozy and festive. I seriously love it. I just wrapped them around my lights there, got my pillows out. Didn't really do too much with this table over here aside from put a candle on the end there. And then on both of the ends of my windows, I do have these leaves kind of drooping down. I'll go ahead and turn around and show you what the space looks like because I seriously love it. If you're having a bad day, just go to TJ Maxx, get a whole bunch of festive items and decorate your space. It is seriously going to light up your mood. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. You guys, you are seriously in for such a treat these upcoming videos here on my channel. So I really wanted to do something fun here on my YouTube where it incorporated both health and the holidays into one because the holidays are quickly approaching. So for the months of October, November, and December, I will be making healthier treats that are made with much healthier ingredients for you because let's face it, I'm always talking about the ingredient label, and the treats are also going to be dairy and gluten-free. So for today's video, I will be making healthier peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. And you guys are definitely gonna wanna make these. They are so good. These are perfect for an office party. Perhaps you're going to a Halloween party or you're hosting your own Halloween party. People are not even gonna realize that these are much healthier for them because that's how good they are. They're also going to contain some added collagen in there for a little bit of protein. And I wish I could say that I came up with this recipe, but I didn't. I got it from Ambitious Kitchen. You guys might know her from Instagram. She makes so many good recipes, and so I will include this specific recipe down in the description box just to give her credit for this deliciousness. But I will also indicate the exact ingredients that I am using, and I'll put those in the description as well, just so that you're able to recreate it in the most healthiest way possible. If you do enjoy today's video, please be sure to give it a like. That really does help my channel out, and it also kind of indicates to me when you do like a video what types of videos it is that I should make more of on my channel. And then also subscribe to the channel because next Thursday I will be making healthy peanut butter cups along with another sweet treat, and you guys are not gonna want to miss that. And let's go ahead and get started with today's recipe. Alrighty guys, in order to make these healthier peanut butter Rice Krispie treats, these are some of the things that I will be using. I have a saucepan here in order to melt everything. 1 degree brown rice crisps. I really like these because they're made up of much better ingredients. They're gluten-free, organic, and sprouted. So whenever you see that grains are sprouted, that just means that it's going to be much easier on your digestive system. For some added protein on the Rice Krispie treats, I have some collagen. So usually I like using the Great Lakes collagen, but I ran out of that and my local grocery store happened to have these on sale. So this is the Garden of Life collagen peptides. Both of these are unflavored. For some chocolate, I have the Enjoy Life mini chips. These are in semi-sweet, and I like them because obviously the ingredients, but then they're also free of all the things that you see here, including dairy and gluten. For peanut butter, I have the Wild Friends Classic Creamy Peanut Butter, coconut oil, maple syrup, pure vanilla extract. I will also be sprinkling a little bit of flaky salt on top of the Rice Krispie treats, an 8x8 dish, parchment paper, and some measuring cups and spoons. So I've turned on my stove. It's at low heat, and in the saucepan, I will add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3/4 cups of the creamy peanut butter. And don't worry, you guys, I will also put the measurements down below in the description. 1/3 cup of the maple syrup, and then 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. And then you just want to mix everything until it's smooth. And once I have thoroughly mixed everything, I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of collagen. Now this is optional, but I just want it for that added protein. Mix it in, and now I can add in 2.5 cups of the brown rice crisps. Okay, so it looks like this is done. I am going to line that glass sheet with some parchment paper now. And I'm going to add in the bottom half of the Rice Krispie treats into the glass container. So the bottom half is done. The next thing that I'm going to do is melt 3/4 cups of the chocolate chips in the microwave. You can use the saucepan as well to melt the chocolate, but I'm gonna make my life a little bit easier and melt them in the microwave. So the chocolate is melted. It took about 1 minute and 15 seconds, and I'm just gonna pour it on top now. And what you want to do is just tilt the pan like this so that the chocolate covers the entire Rice Krispies. All right, the chocolate is evenly spread out, and if you do make these and you find that it's a little hard to get the chocolate evenly spread out when you do tilt the dish, it's perfectly fine to use a spoon. I started to use a spoon here on the edges just to make sure that I had plenty of chocolate on all sides. And now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for an hour. Seriously, the hardest part. So this will go in for an hour or until I see that the chocolate has hardened. Usually that's an hour for me, but it really depends on your refrigerator. So I'll put this in the refrigerator and show you what they look like after. 1 hour later, and the healthy Rice Krispie treats are done. If you like peanut butter and chocolate, you have got to make this. You're gonna love it. I took them out of the refrigerator, cut them into small squares, and now all I'm going to do is just sprinkle them with a little bit of that flaky salt. And on the side here, I will put some more videos you might be interested in. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye, guys.